guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Microwave Shazam with Leo. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm so cool. Like and subscribe. So first, we're gonna be microwave watermelon. So let's just put this in here. For a second. Let's do 10 seconds.
Jockey, making jockey.
Okay, so it looks the same, and if you did it for like a minute, it'd be melted. But it looks the same, so it's just, ooh, hot. 8 out of 10. Maybe 1. Now for the special of the day, cereal. Many put milk to make it cooler and more creamier. But I'm gonna make it not colder, but hotter. And it's probably gonna be even more dry, so it's not gonna be creamy. 10 seconds. Kaboosh. Yeah, it's not really. You know what? Let's just do 20 seconds because it's better hotter than not microwave at all. Yeah. So. Microwave. Don't burn it, Toasty. Yeah, his name is Toasty, the microwave. He's not really a toaster, he's a microwave. I don't know why it's toasty, but yes, it is warm. It's chewy. It's almost like a Rice Krispie.